Bullish smooth love mixture cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach $0 2025. Bearish smooth love mixture market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth love mixture presentation. With regards to play to acquire games, Axie vastness gets everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Endlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Endlessness is a NFT-supported play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Elixirs and Axie Endlessness Shards. Fundamentally, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the interim, Axe is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP and Axie Endlessness biological system. Also, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Limitlessness? Axie Vastness support the play-to-procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie Vastness from the vast majority of the present customary close-circled games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the hindrance to section was too high on the grounds that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to acquire and Axie Endlessness permit their supporters to receive a portion of the benefit. Axie Vastness utilizes MMR or matchmaking rating. MMR is utilized to decide a player's in-game expertise level to put them against rivals of a generally equivalent expertise level. A large portion of the Axie populace dwells inside the relaxed level. Basically, players saw decreased income from every single game mode. Past day-to-day midpoints were around 200 SLP, yet seeming to be normal will presently be more like 100-120. Also, in the 20th season, sub-800 MMR players will just procure 1 SLP per win. Smooth Love Mixture is right now worth $0. SLP has moved 0.74% as of now with an exchanging volume of $13,843,494. Smooth Love Mixture is presently positioned 253 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $109,910,377 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Smooth Love Elixir market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2023 Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the SLP's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SLP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2026 in the event that Smooth Love Mixture effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans. the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Moreover, SLP has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to accumulate the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2029 while SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2029. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2030 by 2030. Smooth Love Elixir will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Smooth Love Mixture cost today? Today, Smooth Love Mixture is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $109,910,377. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise speculation? Smooth Love Mixture ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that SLP is a decent decision of venture. How high can Smooth Adore Elixir go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Elixir might conceivably reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Smooth Love Mixture might outperform 1 cent. What amount will Smooth Adore Mixture be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising notoriety of digital money and Smooth Love Mixture, a drawn-out interest in SLP could see the value ascend to 1 cent inside the following 5 years. What amount will Smooth Adore Mixture be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Smooth Love Mixture today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of SLP might actually ascend to 3 cents inside the following 10 years.